Tell about Jameer.
So, baby Jay is born, which is my cousin's baby, and born today. And we don't know what the baby's name is, so Tony's guessing that the baby's name is Jameer. We know it starts with a J.
He looks like a Jameer. And his last name fits it. I forget his last name.
Jameer Piazza.
What a great name. Is Josiah's last name Piazza?
I don't think so.
Or is it Contreras?
No, not Contreras.
What is it?
I don't know.
That's something you should know.
Josiah something. I don't know, Jamie. Gotta ask Jamie. I was gonna say comment below, but you don't want to comment his last name below. It's his father's last name. He was there.
Comment below if Jameer Piazza is a good name. Comment below if my mom looks like she's in her 50s. What else could start with J?
Jamal.
Jamal. I feel like she's about what? Now I'm thinking about this baby.
Smoking my block.
Piazza, right?
Not saying her government name on YouTube.
So we got Jamal Piazza, Jameer Piazza. It could be a white person. It could be Jason Piazza. Ew, that's a horrible name. Yeah, she's not gonna give him no white name. Maybe it's Juan. Maybe it's Juan Piazza.
I don't think so.
It could be Juan Piazza, Jason Piazza, Jameer Piazza, Jamal Piazza, Josiah Piazza.
Josiah is her first son.
But she has a different last name, so she could just reuse it.
Okay.
Jordan Piazza. Oh, that's a good name.
I don't think so.
You don't think Jordan Piazza's a good name? It's not as good as...
It's a good name, but I don't
it's not as
think
good as Jameer Piazza, Jamal
she ain't gonna name her
Piazza.
baby Jordan.
You're right, it's too white. She's gonna get a baby... Here, urban.
Jameer?
She's gonna
You
get
put
maybe an
Jameer,
urban
right?
name. Yeah.
I feel like it could be Jameer.
It could be Jameer Piazza. It's a good name. Or Jamal Piazza. That'd be a good name, too.
It's gonna be Jamie.
Jamie.
It's gonna be her name.
Juan Piazza. What else? Jesus
Anyway,
Piazza.
guys, I forgot to tell you that we're at Roller Magic. What happened right there?
I don't know. Make that the thumbnail.
You don't know?
Make that the thumbnail. I got punched in the face. I don't know exactly what happened. Baby, we gotta meet it. We gotta go meet it soon. You gotta make a point to go meet that baby.
We will.
You gotta be like, hey guys, we're coming over. You just gotta tell them we're coming over one day.
We do.
You just gotta be like, hey, we're coming over to meet the baby today. Cause like she's not gonna, she's gonna be home. She's raising a baby right now. Yeah.
She's home raising a baby.
Yeah, she's home right now. Like we can just drop by. Why not? We can just like, we'll say we'll cook for her and she'll be down. Cause she don't want to have to cook dinner. She's watching a baby. So we'll just come over, bring some pork chops, and we'll just.
She
cook
lives
for
with
her.
Aunt Donna.
Yeah. Hey, I'm not gonna cook for her and us.
Oh, I know what I can make for her.
Live in the same house? I thought she lived upstairs.
No.
Oh wait, no, Tina lives downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She lives in the same house.
So we're just gonna we'll bring the chicken and have Donna cook.
Yeah, no, she likes she always likes that chicken salad that I make.
We'll make her that then. With the grapes in it. You haven't made that in a long time.
He remembered.
Yeah. What else could start with J?
Jerry.
Javon. What's the last name?
Jamal.
I keep forgetting the last name.
Piazza.
Javon Piazza. Nope, not as good as Jamar. Or Jameer.
Isn't Jameer the name of the guy on no, Jamal is the name of the guy on with Lucius Lions. Jamal Lion.
I don't know.
Alright guys, we're going back in. So over and out.